Welcome to iBoysoft channel. Today let's focus on creating XML files. To quickest create XML files, the best tool is iBoysoft Magic Menu. You can see various files it can create. After installing it, they will show in your right-click menu, like Windows. Just right-click, then choose New File XML. You can also use TextEdit on Mac. Open it, and create a plain text. Remember save it adding the extension, XML. The way 3 is using terminal, be curious about the commands. Copy the commands one by one, and the file is all ready. Last way is using online tool. Type some keywords in your browser. Edit it and find the download button.